Hello viewers. Today we will learn, we'll start working on Playwright TypeScript test cases. Okay. First we'll initialize the project. So what I'm doing, right? I'm creating one project. I'm creating one folder. Hmm, Playwright, Playwright TypeScript. Okay. So this is our new project. I'm going to work. So I'm going to share some details about this project. Okay. First, what we'll do, right? We'll start working with the Visual Studio Code. So launch the Visual Studio Code. So first we need to create the empty folder. Okay, I have created Playwright TypeScript empty folder. So from this Visual Studio Code, open folder. So in this project now we are going to with TypeScript, not JavaScript. Okay, Playwright TypeScript. Now go to here, launch the terminal. Okay, so type the command npm initialize the item is initialize playwright at the rate latest. Okay, so need to install the following packages, create Playwright. So 17 version, Playwright S. Okay, now it will ask whether you want to work with the TypeScript or JavaScript. I'm selecting the TypeScript enter. So it is asking where to put your end-to-end tests. It's okay. And tests, I'm okay. Add a GitHub action workflow. So we will see this one later. Type no. And install Playwright browser. So can be done manually by npx Playwright install. See some dependencies, right? By default configurations, it is asking to do. So true, right? Yeah, we need it. So just put enter. Okay, now so required dependencies now it is adding. So what are the default configurations? So is required. So it is installing here. It will take some time. Let it finish. See, you are seeing right side. Initially, it was nothing here. Now we can see node modules, tests, right? Node modules, tests, test examples, git ignore, package logs, JSON, package log JSON, package JSON, playwright configuration, TS file. So this many added here under the playwright project. So it will be very interesting, playwright with TypeScript. So we'll see a lot of examples. Let me pause it or look at it is also giving that see got installed. So it is also giving suggestions. So run end-to-end tests, npx playwright test. Okay, and it is giving the documentation. I can copy this link. I can paste in. You can paste here. So based on this documentation, so you can do installation as well as if you want any methods or some queries and all, you can clear from this document. It is very helpful. Going forward, we will use it. Okay. So now the TypeScript got installed. Playwright project TypeScript. Which TypeScript? So you can see right node modules. So what is this node modules? No? So whenever you are working with the Playwright, right, like Cypress, these type, no? So all the dependencies will come and sit here. Will be downloaded here and added here. Okay. And so you can see right, Playwright. Okay. Now can you, when you go to test, no, you're going to write the test cases. Already they have given some examples because people who are new to the Playwright, no, they can go through these tests and they can understand it. So they have given some examples already. Okay. So coming to package log.json, this will be a default file. And coming to package.json, this is the heart of the project. We can say heart of the project. So it also same comes with when you are installing the Playwright, not only Playwright with Cypress also. So whenever you are working with the npm projects, right? npm projects. So this is mandatory. Package.json we call it as a heart of the project. We call it as. So normally when you're working with the Java Selenium, right? So POM XML will be there. It's a kind of package.json, right? So this is the Playwright installation. So we'll start our test cases in next uh, next video. Okay. Or you can write npx Playwright test. Already we have some examples, right? Already we have some examples, right, in this as well in this. So those are running. So running 6 tests using 4 workers means 6 test cases they are running in 4 browsers. Workers are running browsers. See, 6 got passed. So we will use this command. Okay. I hope this is a very helpful session, guys. Thank you.